Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Dunster House TV. In today's episode we are looking at Gavin's garden and how a Terminator was just the thing he needed.
Welcome to our garden. We've lived here for approximately 5 years now, and when we moved in, the garden was a bit of a mess. It needed quite a lot of work to get to the point where we wanted it to be. I'm an air traffic controller by trade, and so for me I like the garden to be about relaxing, so I'd created lots of little areas in the garden for me to just come and sit and relax. But ultimately we needed another space outside that I could go to if it was raining or if I wanted to get out in the sun. So we started looking at getting a log cabin earlier in the year. It took about 4 days to build, and then about 3 days to paint the inside and the outside with several coats. I've added guttering onto the back, so we've got a water butt to collect the water because it's quite a large roof. As you can see, I've got an outside light, and we had power run down here a couple of months ago. Now the log cabin itself was planning to be my man cave, but we had a son last year, and it's slowly been taken over by him, which ultimately I quite like. I see in the future it being mine and his space to come and chill out and relax and play. I think one of the best things about the log cabin is this time of year when the weather's nice in the day, but in that early evening when the sun starts to go down, the air starts to get a little bit chilly. I can just come into the log cabin, which has been soaking all that heat up all day and is still a good 25 degrees in here, and sit down and relax and watch TV or a film and have a beer. Is worth every penny that we paid for this place.
That's it for another episode of Dunster House TV. Join us again next week for yet another garden transformation. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. See ya!